Hola, we're going to go over the numbers that you learned yesterday. So I'm going to say the numbers. You can either say them along with me, or if you're not ready to do that yet, listen to me say it a couple times. Go ahead and rewind it. And then when you're ready to say it along with me, go ahead and say them along with me. Zero did not fit on the screen, so I'm going to say zero, and then we're going to start with one. So here we go. Say it along with me. Cero, uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. So now we're going to look at the tens and we're going to count from 10 all the way up to 100. I meant to say this, but if you don't have your number sheet out in front of you, and you're especially not comfortable with the by tens quite yet, then go ahead and get that out so you can see the word as we're saying it. So here we go. We're going to count from 10 up to 100. Say them along with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. And again, if you're quite not ready to do that, then rewind it a couple times. Listen to it as many times as you need to get comfortable with those numbers. Okay, so now we're going to do some practice. So if you want to go ahead and flip to either the back couple pages of your packet where there's some lined paper or in your notebook, I am going to tell you 15 numbers. You are going to write the number, just the numerals. You don't need to spell anything out. Just like if I say the number one, you're going to write just one. You're not going to spell out O-N-E. We're just going to write the numeral that you hear. And then you're also going to go ahead and input those into Edpuzzle so we can see how you're doing with comprehending your numbers. So here we go. Number one, dos, dos. And you should have the number two. Number two, trece, trece. And hopefully you wrote down the number 13. Number three, ocho, ocho. And you should have gotten number 8. Number 4, cero, cero. And hopefully you heard 0. Number 5, 17, 17. And you should have heard 17. Diez, diez. And that was the number 10. Number 7, quince, quince. And you should have the number 15. Number 8, veintidós, veintidós. And you should have come up with the number 22. Number 9, doce, doce. And hopefully you heard the number 10. Or I'm sorry, the number 12. And I was thinking number 10 because we're moving on to number 10 right now. Number 10. Treinta, treinta. That should have been 30. Number 11. Sesenta y uno, sesenta y uno. And you should have 61. Number 12. 99. 99. You said 99? Oh shoot, I'm off a number. Oh no, I'm not. 13. Perfect. Sorry, guys. Number 13. 54. 54. You said 54. Number 14. 46. 46. And you said 46. And number 15, last but not least, tres. Tres. And that is the number 3. Okay, guys, I'm just going to ask you a couple of questions. I don't have a slide for this. I just decided last minute to do this. I'm going to ask you I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to ask you. I'm going to ask you 2 questions. Think about what your answer would be. So here we go. Here's your next question. ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿Cuántos años tienes? Okay, you saw that question yesterday in the notes page. So you should know that that's asking how old are you? So go ahead and the full sentence answer. Type that into the Edpuzzle question. And last but not least, I'm going to ask you this question. ¿Cuál es tu teléfono? ¿Cuál es tu teléfono? Hopefully because of teléfono, even if you don't remember it from yesterday, you should be able to figure out that's asking what's your phone number. So I'm going to have you guys go ahead in a full sentence, answer that question in Edpuzzle, and then you're all done with this lesson. Have a great day, guys.